Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title guys, how can we increase phone screen timeout in our Infinix phone device. Friends, we want to increase guys your phone screen timeout. Friends, your screen just off minute and it's just seconds. So how can we increase Infinix phone screen timeout guys? Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting. So friends, click on guys your phone display and brightness setting guys. So we will tap here and guys click on this phone screen timeout guys. You can increase guys, you can use from here guys. It's your choice guys. You can select guys your screen timeout from here. I will select guys the 5 minutes, then guys come back. So friends, you can see guys after 5 minutes guys my screen will off automatic guys. After 15 seconds guys screen will not off automatic in Infinix phone. So like that guys, we can increase guys phone screen timeout in our Infinix phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.